How to hard reset Samsung phone. So let's see. First, plug in cable, connect with laptop or even charger you can use. So then press and hold at the same time volume down plus power button. Press and hold volume down and power button, and then press and hold same time volume up button plus power button same time. Wait. Here you can see options show successfully. Use volume down for go down. Use volume up button for go up. For select, use power button. So then go to wipe data factory reset and press power button. Then go to factory data reset, press power button for reset your phone. I am not reset my phone, so I am cancel this. If just you want to reboot, go to reboot system now and then press power button. In this way you can hard reset your phone. Thanks for watching.